Hey everyone. So welcome. Before I get into this, I just want to thank you to all of you. My numbers are going up with new subscribers, so thank you to those that have stayed, and thank you to those that are new, and welcome to my little YouTube world. What I'm going to do is when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a really nice giveaway. So let's get that goal reached, and so I can do that giveaway. That'll be fun. I've got something in mind. So obviously it won't be till after the new year because I don't see me hitting 1,000 by then. But no, that's the season for miracles, right? Anyhow, so a friend of mine, Pam from Pamela's Creations, I'll leave her link down below, or I'll try to remember and put it in a card up here, messaged me and said, "You're expecting something from Amazon," and I'd forgotten about it. Well, she didn't say it from Amazon. She just said, that she got me something, to be on the lookout for it. And I got the box, and I was like, where is this? I know I didn't order anything from Amazon. And so I messaged her and I said, "Was it by any chance from Amazon?" She goes, "Yeah." So this is from Pam. So like I said, I'll leave her link to her channel down below or up here with the card. Definitely go check her out. She is such a sweetheart. So yeah, let's open this up and see what she got, because she did not hint to me at all of what it could be. So kind of curious. Well, not kind of, I am curious. So I'm excited to see what it could be. So let's see. Maybe. There we go. Oh, it's in a cute little bag. How cute. Oh my gosh, honey. Okay, let's get rid of this. Oops, bump y'all. That is a cute bag. Oh my gosh. Open up the card, and it says, "This was on your list, so I hope you like it. You are a sweet person, and I love you. I wanted to get you more. Maybe I can someday. Merry Christmas from Pam." Honey, you did not have to get me anything. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. So we'll leave that. Oh, Pam, girl. Okay. I love this bag. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, let's open this. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the steampunk, but I know a lot of people are. So I thought this would be fun to mess with and fill with resin. Look at those. That will make some pretty jewelry. Oh, I like that. Like the hand of a clock. Oh, wow. Pam, you are such a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Why not come with 2 of them? That's going to make for some really pretty jewelry. Oh my gosh. So let's see what this is. Let's resin. Be creative and have fun. Oh, this is, oh my gosh, girl. Oh, cool. How to make the jewelry. The fillers. Oh, cool. And look at these. These are the little stir. Look how cute those are. Out for the fingers. Protect your fingers. Oh, look at these molds. Oh my gosh. Okay. This video is going to be a little longer than I expected. I'm sorry, guys, but we have got to check this out. Look at that. So they'll make like these diamond shape. Oh, that is cool. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Look at that. I'm not really sure. I think that maybe goes to the spout. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, like, there's a whole bunch of little pieces in there. Maybe make like little beads. Oh yeah, look at that, like different shaped. And then like maybe for a ring. I think that's like a ring mold. Oh wow, so cool. Oops. Tear the bag. Oh, it's got the yeah, the twisties, the eyes, so you can screw it in. Wow, look at that. All right, this is the best gift ever, girl. I'm guessing this is to pour, like to measure and pour. I don't do the two-part resin. I'll have to try the, I mean, I used to do the two-part resin, but I quit doing the two-part resin. But I think this would be so much easier to like fill like these little areas, you know? Does it make sense? Really, really cool. All right, let's check what's in this bag. Oh, I think that's for like a maybe a bracelet. Well, it'd fit me. I think that's what that is for. It's like a bracelet mold. I like. Oh, different shaped. Oh, I think square or octagon. Nope, this one's a circle silicone. Pour the resin down in there. We got the circle. Oh, got a diamond shape. An octagon. Is that octagon? Yeah, I think so. I could be wrong. And then this one is just your square. And then this one looks like it's just, yeah, your basic triangle. That is so cool. I've watched people make their gems with these. Definitely need like baby oil or soap is even, from what I've seen, is like a really good thing, you know, way of getting it out, getting the, you know, getting your gem or, you know, your stone out once it's been cured. And then this, wow. Okay, so, oh, look at that. So, right here would be like the opening for like your necklace. See up here too. So you can create whatever you want inside, like any design that you'd want. You've got the small ones, so maybe, you know, and then the bigger ones, like you could do like earrings and a necklace. This one doesn't have it, but you could easily drill one. Same with these. That one's neat. That one's connected, so you got this circle. Almost looks like a tie. That's really cool. Are those connected? Yeah. Well, they're all connected. I like. And then this one, you got the circles and, I don't know, kind of a moon shape. Your ovals, your circles. Oh, the teardrop. That is my favorite, is the teardrop. Oh, look at the puzzle piece. I love that. Rectangle, oval, and then your squares and rectangle. Oh my gosh. Girl, I love it. I love it all. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That was just, girl, way too generous. Thank you. I absolutely love it all. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so generous of you. Thank you. And the cards. I will definitely be doing that. Whoops! And I drop it. And then that's just saying what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Awesome, girl. Thank you so much. Gosh, I can't express how wonderful this is. Thank you. So, yeah, you guys, go check Pam out. Seriously, she is a sweetheart. You will love her. She does, she's been just starting to put some jewelry on her channel. She's got an advent going on with yarn. But yeah, so go check her out. Like I said, it'll be down below or in a card up here, okay? All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Pam, thank you so much. This just amazing. Just, oh my gosh, thank you. So, okay, you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever time it is that you're watching this. I will be doing my next drawing on my video tomorrow. Yeah, and then I believe Mindy's is today. Yeah, it's approaching Christmas next week, guys. Next week. So, all right. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful, like I said, a wonderful day or night. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment. I love the comments. And share if you're feeling nice. Thumbs up or down, up to you, like I said. And I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to always smile. Love you. Bye-bye.